Hey there, folks. Welcome back to Nutritious Health News. Today, we've got something special for you, a 7-day keto diet plan for weight loss. Keto has been making waves in the health and fitness world, and for a good reason. It's all about high fat, low carbs, and fantastic results. So, if you're ready to kickstart your keto journey, stick around because we've got a whole week's worth of delicious meals planned out for you. Day 1. Host holding a delicious keto breakfast. Starting day 1 with a bang. We've got a scrumptious keto breakfast avocado and bacon egg cups. These are super easy to make and loaded with healthy fats to fuel your day. Check out the recipe in the description below. Day 2. Host holding a colorful keto salad. Day 2 brings us a vibrant keto salad with grilled chicken and avocado. It's the perfect mix of protein and healthy fats. And guess what? It's a breeze to put together. Day 3, host at the stove, cooking keto-friendly beef stir-fry. On day 3, we're spicing things up with a keto-friendly beef stir-fry, packed with flavors and low on carbs. This dish is a winner for both taste and nutrition. Day 4, host holding a keto-friendly snack. Snack attack. We've got a keto trail mix for you today. It's crunchy, it's satisfying, and it's the perfect on-the-go keto snack. Day 5, host at the kitchen counter with keto-friendly pizza. It's pizza night on day 5. But don't worry, it's a keto pizza made with a cauliflower crust. You won't believe how delicious this low-carb alternative can be. Day 6, host holding a keto-friendly smoothie. Morning, everyone. Day 6 starts with a keto green smoothie. It's refreshing, packed with nutrients, and keeps you full throughout the day. Day 7, host holding a keto-friendly dessert. And finally, on day 7, we're ending the week on a sweet note with a keto-friendly chocolate mousse. It's creamy, indulgent, and yes, it's keto. So there you have it, a full week of delicious and satisfying keto meals that'll help you kickstart your weight loss journey. Remember, the keto diet isn't just about what you eat but also about maintaining a balance and staying hydrated. Be sure to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new diet plan, especially if you have underlying health conditions. If you found this meal plan helpful, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Nutritious Health News for more health, fitness, and lifestyle content. Share your thoughts and any keto tips you might have in the comments below. Thanks for joining us on this keto adventure, and until next time, stay healthy and stay keto.